Oh yeah. So just gotta knock on the door. Oh yeah. Kalnina here, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be ripping off the headers and exhausts off of my 25 Z900 SE. We're going to be swapping them to a full stainless steel racing header and can setup from Arrow. The weight's going to be going down. We're going to be increasing the power and the noise. So grab a drink and stay tuned. So here are the two boxes. This I assume will be the headers. And this I assume will be the can. As you can see, it's wrapped up pretty well. These came from WRS, all the way from Italy. It took like a good month to get here, but there's a few dings and nicks here. But overall, the boxes look dope. Nothing seems to be out of the ordinary or out of the way. Nothing seems to be well put together. So yeah, let's get them open. All right, let's get prepped to get the first box open. Putting on some gloves real quick. Get it open. Our exhaust though. Let's get it. They're all labeled. But look at that weld. So good. Such good quality for it even being stainless steel. Yeah. All right, here we have our 421 assembly with the headers and the link pipes and the collectors on here. First impressions, everything has been TIG welded, as you can see here. The welds look textbook. The collector merge is smooth inside, so then will be no tripping up of the gas exiting the bike. Later on, we'll get a weight check once I actually put them together against the stock setup. The O2 sensor bungs, which we're going to be blocking off. Still awaiting those two pieces to arrive so that we can, block that off because we're not going to be utilizing the O2 sensor anymore. These pipes are also AISI 304 stainless steel, so they're bronzed nicely instead of just straight up rusting. So yeah, let's get the other box open. All right, let's get this box open. This is the silencer. Definitely excited for this. Arrow. Let's get this bad boy open. Before I even finish opening that, something random flew out of the bag. WRS. That's the website, guys. So yeah. And here we got more hardware. Bubble wrapped. Here we are. Here we are. Whew. Let's get this box out the way. All right, let's get this muffler out. Nicely wrapped with bubble wrap. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this exhaust. I definitely want to go with the black accent to kind of mirror the stock look, because I do like the stock look. Yeah. This is satin black Nichrom sleeve. This particular muffler has a conical body and a laser etched logo in there. There is a removable DB killer right here. The bolt is right there to remove it. Yeah, this is such a good looking muffler, man. I can't fake. Now, Arrow claims that it came from their MotoGP DNA. The well quality backs it, as you can see down here. Wells look clean all around, TIG welded. But as always, depending on how you look at it, the logo is always a little crooked. Just a little bit, not too much. All right, so right here we have a scale. So pretty much Arrow claims it's right at 3 kg. Turn it on first. Right now, this muffler is coming in at I can't do it like that. It's so light it doesn't even read on my scale that I got here. That is hilarious. Right now it's coming in at 3.6 pounds. It keeps zeroing 3.6 to 3.4 pounds. I'll see how much that comes in on kgs. Right, now that we have all of the header bolts removed, or header nuts removed, and the header is pretty much loose, I just have to pull this, put my foot under here, hold it up a little bit, pull this bolt in the back end here, and here she is. Stock headers and everything else removed from the bike. Big old behemoth of a piece, heavy as nobody's business, but it's gone now. right, great people. Hear a baby in the background. My daughter's out here with me, helping me. Right, Cam? Yeah. Right now, as you can see, pretty much got everything locked in with the RA exhaust. Right now, we are literally about to put on the final piece. Right? So, yeah, Cam. Okay, let me put some exhaust paste on this bad boy. Yeah, Cam, you tell us about your day? Yeah? What does he do? Uh-huh. What else? All right, time to put on the finishing touches. Time to slide this. Get my knee out the way. Slide the actual muffler on. Pull this clamp up. I'm a finger tight it for right now. Don't want it this way, don't want it the other way. I think I want it the other way. I want the clamp facing the other way. So, there we go. Now I put this back on. Firmly tighten that for now, just so it kind of stays there. Boom. We are in there like swimwear, guys. We are in there like swimwear. Now all that's pretty much left to do is tighten up these bad boys. Sure, no, there's a 10 mil. Tighten up the bottom clamp. Nice and secure. And then lock up this top piece. Ooh, that is a big boy. For 16, dang. Oh, 18, sheesh. 18, try 16. 16 should be fine. There's one big nut back of this. Boom. Now let me grab. There we go. sure, and we are good to go. Look at that, people. Full system, full exhaust, headers all the way to the collector. Looks so much cleaner, so much nicer, so much lighter. Whew. Can't wait to get this bad boy out and give it a rip. Now, you will have to wait for that because next I am going to be removing the tank and get into the ECU, shipping that out for flashing. Then once I get it back, I'll throw it in the bike and then we can go for our first ride. So until then, peace.